Unlocking the phrase, memory of a lifetime. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in English conversations, movies, or books, memory of a lifetime. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and share some examples to help you understand it better. So, let's get started. Memory of a lifetime refers to an exceptionally memorable and significant experience that one will remember for the rest of their life. It's often used to describe events or moments that are so impactful and extraordinary that they leave a lasting impression on someone's memory. Let's break down the phrase to understand it better. Memory. This refers to something that is remembered from the past. This is a prepositional phrase used here to link memory with lifetime. Lifetime. This signifies the duration of a person's life. When combined, memory of a lifetime suggests a memory that stands out among all others throughout a person's life. This phrase is often used in storytelling or when describing experiences that are incredibly joyous, meaningful, or sometimes even life-changing. For example, climbing Mount Everest was the memory of a lifetime. The concert last night was amazing. It truly was a memory of a lifetime. Notice how it's used to highlight the significance of an event, making it clear that it's not just any memory but one that will be cherished forever. While memory of a lifetime is quite popular, there are other ways to express a similar sentiment, such as once-in-a-lifetime experience, unforgettable memory, lifetime highlight. These phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context and what feels most natural in your speech or writing. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, memory of a lifetime, and how you can use it to talk about those extraordinary moments in life that you'll never forget. Whether it's an adventure, a personal achievement, or a shared experience with loved ones, such memories are what make life truly enriching. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.